Welcome to the Daily Intelligence Brief from IntelStor for the 27th of February, 2026. In today's top renewable energy news, Saudi Arabian energy utility Acwa agreed to build 2 photovoltaic plants in Turkey. Each one will be 1 gigawatt, and it is the first phase of a plan which includes new wind power projects as well. They intend to build a total of 5 gigawatts, which will be worth an estimated $5 billion. Acwa also concluded power purchase agreements with Turkish government-controlled electricity generation corps for the offtake from the 2 solar plants. Wind power has become a tried and tested method of energy production that can drastically reduce the need to lean on the national grid. But one state has seen its wind turbines standing still, even when the wind blows like a big bad wolf trying to blow your house down. Texas has become a welcoming destination for wind farms. While millions of homeowners complain about high power bills, Texas has seen its role in the wind power sector declining. Surging demand for power to support data centers is generating optimism for manufacturers of wind turbines. It comes even as permitting bans, project suspensions, and import tariffs knock the wind out of U.S. renewable energy markets. German onshore turbine maker Nordex and Danish turbine maker Vestas remain steadfast on playing the long game on U.S. onshore projects as data center construction rapidly drives up power demands. The federal government has launched consultation into domestic capacity to manufacture wind turbines and associated infrastructure. The industry is pleased by the ongoing discussions, while energy experts are urging caution. Currently, almost 100% of Australia's wind turbine infrastructure, including towers, rotors, nacelles, is imported from overseas. Calls have been made to institute a domestic content regulation mandating that 20% of components sourced for projects are domestically produced. The federal government is continuing to show interest in Nova Scotia Premier Tim Houston's ambitious offshore wind energy plan. However, Ottawa will not declare it a project of national interest until partners from the private sector sign on. The Major Projects Office needs to see that industry is ready. Houston wants to see a massive build-out of offshore wind projects in the coming years and a transmission line to enable export. He's dubbed the Project Wind West, and his government has estimated it would cost $40 billion for 60 gigawatts of turbines and $20 billion for transmission cables. You can learn more about all of IntelStor's market and sales intelligence offerings at www.intelstor.com and subscribe to our channel today.